Hello world and happy 2021, happy new year everyone. Well, it's been a crazy year, 2020, the COVID pandemic. On a personal front, my wife was diagnosed with cancer and we're still fighting that battle. Actually, thank you all, to all of you, all the messages, all the kind words to help us in the most difficult moments. Thank you from both of us, really. I sincerely hope that Chiara will feel better soon and that she will be able to join us again on camera so she can say hi to you all. I spent the last month reading again all the comments, the feedback you sent last year, and I did that because I wanted to make sure that we are going to craft the next series of video in the best way possible to meet what you are interested in seeing more on this channel. And well, I realized that you liked two series very much. The first one is the archive series, the series in which we share the coolest and more rare groups from the vinyl archive that we have here at XYZ, the creative center we built in Conegliano in beautiful Venice region in Italy. And the second series is the one dedicated to the DJ sets and live performances. And well, we'll keep rolling those series, both series in 2021. Also, I started to think of what else can we do, what's next, how can we keep moving forward and make sure to release content that is gonna keep surprising you. I also realized that many of you are interested in the live production or live electronic music videos, and I'm not sure yet about what you are interested in. Is it the way I play, the tools I use, the sound synthesis? I don't know, you tell me, and I encourage you to leave a comment below or reach out in wherever other way you prefer to let me know what you are interested in learning more, or what would you like me to cover on this channel on that front. There's so much I can share about live electronic music and music production, but of course I don't think there is even the need to create another music production channel, and most part of this audience, most part of you are not musicians. Many of you are simply interested in music, like to listen to music, but don't play an instrument or don't produce music, yet you find incredibly engaging what we are sharing. So I want to find the sweet spot between something that appeals to you, the most of you, and also something that can be interesting to someone that maybe is a musician or a producer. And this is something that define the DNA that I used since day one in creating each and every single video that we released on this channel. And I want to make sure that the content that we will produce in future is still going to be easy to digest and fun for you to enjoy. So please take a minute, let me know, use the comments below. And on that note, I've realized another thing. For not everyone, but many of you, well, English is not your first language. So feel free to reach out using your language. You can use the links below here in the description of this video. There is the Mode Zero website, modezero.xyz. There are all the links to social channels where you can find Mode Zero, and you can use them to reach out and express your thoughts, your wishes, you know, your curiosity. And we're gonna use that to keep creating videos that are going to be ultimately entertaining for you, and that's the most important part of it. I've been doing music my entire life, but I started this channel because of you and because of your interest in what I'm doing and in the creative projects that surround me. With this channel you got to know many other musicians, many other artists that you probably didn't even know. And yes, we are a small channel. So far, well, let me check the number of subscribers. Yeah, we are 451. 451! Imagine a room with 451 people inside. We started just with a handful of people, and I was definitely not confident to keep moving on with this adventure. Yet now, it's starting to scale. I'm surprised, but yes, you guys seem to like it. So please, take a minute to share this channel. Send a message to a like-minded friend that you think could enjoy this experience as much as you do. As much as you like the live streams, as much as you like to listen to the music we share on this channel, and as much as you like these conversations, public and private, with messages you can send across all the channels listed below. Let's see if by the end of next year we can reach a new goal. I don't know, maybe 500 or 1,000 subscribers. Actually, if we reach 1,000 subscribers, we can unlock a series of tools that YouTube gives to YouTubers like me and the team behind me to turn the experience you guys have on YouTube into a more engaging one. That said, well, if you liked what we share in today's videos, please give the thumbs up, like below, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It helps a lot, and that says stay tuned. More content, more music coming, more creative projects. I can't wait to talk to you in the next episode. Bye.